Good morning, beautiful people. My name is Faye, and today I'm going to Harriman State Park. We're gonna go hiking, so stay tuned. Harriman State Park, located in Rockland and Orange counties in New York. It's one of the largest state parks in New York State. The park offers a wide range of activities for visitors to enjoy, including hiking, camping, fishing, boating, and wildlife viewing, with over 200 miles of hiking trails, ranging from easy strolls to challenging treks. Small snake. Oh my god! Got to this place. So beautiful in here. There was people there doing their hike, and we're in the top. Right here we're gonna have some fire, just listening to the birds and just looking at the water that's in there and right there. We just a beautiful day. Hammock, and it's so beautiful in here. Harriman State Park offers something for everyone. Whether you're seeking adventure in the great outdoors or simply looking for a way to relax and unwind amidst this beautiful nature that we see here. It's just a beautiful day. Enjoying it. Just relaxing now. It's so beautiful. I highly recommend this place. Was such a beautiful day. We're still walking in this beautiful hike. We're going down now. It's so beautiful. You need to be a caterpillar before you fly, right? One of the things that I love about hiking is just looking at these beautiful nature colors that we have and the sound of nature, birds, trees, all that. And it starts to rain. That was it for today. Thanks for watching. We took you along with us in this beautiful Harriman State Park trails. We had a lot of fun. Now it's raining and we should go home. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Until next time, peace and love. Thanks for watching till the end. Please let me know what was your favorite part from this hike and stay tuned for more upcoming videos about hikes, nutrition, and food and culture. Take care and stay tuned as always. Peace and love.